Hi, in this lesson we'll be seeing about the AD utility ADSplice. ADSplice is also basically called as ADSplicer, and the main purpose of this is to add new products. It can be Oracle products which are not yet present in Oracle Business Suite, or it can be used to add the custom products as well. When I say the custom products, all the customizations in Oracle Business Suite, for example the custom forms, pages, can be kept under a new custom top directory under Apple Top. And under Apple Top, we know that already there are several directories such as AP, AR, and all these directories which are related to different products. And usually all the customers, what they do is they create a new custom directory called XX and the name of the product, name of the custom product. And this product basically will have all the customizations that are required. And to add this product like a proper product in Oracle Business Suite, we use the utility called ADSplice. And to use this ADSplice to add the new product, we'll be requiring basically these three files. And these three files you can obtain in two ways. One, you can basically go to any of the product top, like for example XDO top admin, and get these files. Or if you download the file 3636980, that is IZU related product, the diagnostics product, from there also you can get all these three files. Of course, you have to modify them first and then run ADSplice to add this new product, whatever is the XX product you want to add. There's a detailed lesson in the next chapters about how to add a new custom product or custom top to the existing Oracle Business Suite. Thank you.